Hello and welcome to you. This classes of data analytics brought to you by Vista Academy. So what is data analytics? To understand data analytics, we have to understand what is the meaning of analyze. So analyze means to scrutinize something to find out meaningful conclusion from it. It means to finding out something valuable information from some given task. So data analytics also works similar. It is process by which useful insights are extracted from raw data. So raw data is collected and some meaningful insight is taken from that data. By studying and examining carefully, these insights are important for business trends, market innovations, and market trend profit loss reports. So from these insights, our reports are generated, which will help to find out what are the business trends, what are market innovations, what type of innovations are required, what are the trends, and we can also check our profit and loss account reports also can be maintained. Data analytics is the term as a process of extracting meaningful insight from such hidden patterns, market trends, and customer preferences are done by studying of procured data. Example, converting jigsaw puzzle into beautiful picture. So we can understand like data is not in a structured manner. So like in the case when we are child, we make beautiful picture from this jigsaw puzzles. Similarly, we are collecting data from different sources and finding it for giving some valuable information. So what is data analytics? A data structure can be structured like whatever data we get can be structured, unstructured, or semi-unstructured. So data analytics got data in the form of either it is structured or unstructured or semi-unstructured. The process of data analytics incorporate and collect data from various sources and cleaning it and finally transforming it into something meaningful that can be understood by human. So the main role of the data analytics is collecting data and then transforming into something meaningful. So that can be understood by business manager and business leader for creating new products, for giving value to their products and forecasting for businesses. Data. This information can be converted into graphs and charts which provide precise result of the analysis. Whatever data is collected later on with the help of the team of data analytics that can be converted into graphs and charts. Various technologies, tools and framework are used in data analysis process. There are certain softwares and tools which will be used for data analysis process. Organization take the benefit of data analytics to convert the raw data into meaningful insight. Therefore, there is high requirement of skilled data analytics. So, skilled data analytics are high in demands. Raw data to meaningful insight. This is one of the role which data analytics has to do. Job roles in data analytics. There are many job roles that can be taken up by fresh candidates. It is lucrative field as the role of data a blossom in a year to come. As more and more data we are consuming, so the role of data analytics is also increasing. Who is data analytics? A data analytics is a professional who work on collecting, processing, analyzing a large data set. So data set is in huge quantity. So from that huge quantity, they collect, process, and analyze data. They need some statistical knowledge. So statistical analysis done on various data. Every business generate data, be it marketing, sales, research, consumer feedback, consumer behavior, logistic, and transport. So from different sources, data is being collected as these data are generated by different segments in businesses. A data analytics will give this data and take various measures such as how to price new product, how to cost cutting, how to innovate better products. So they are basically helping the companies in creating new products, cost cutting on product, creating new products, and all such things can be done with the help of data analytics. So what data analytics deal with? Data handling, data modeling, and data reporting. So these are some of the process where data analytics will handle in doing data analysis. Responsibility of data analytics. First of all, they have to understand organization goal. What organization want to do? What are their preferences? So these things need to be understand before going through the task which is given to the data analyst. Discovering and identifying the company goal by working closely with various other teams. They have, like data analytics have to work with different peoples like data scientists and their colleagues, data engineers and all, and they have to work closely to find out what is the company goal. It helps streamlining and planning the analysis process accordingly. And therefore, accordingly, they can plan and analyze what they have to do. Data analytics assess the available resources, understand the business problem, and gather the right data. This step is done by collaborating with data scientists, programmer, and team members. So finding the right data which need to be analyzed is one of the steps and one of the responsibility of the data analytics. The gathering information is one of the part, gathering information from forms, querying, and also maintain and design databases. Data analytics write complex SQL query, extract informations from several databases and data warehouses. They do mining of data. Data is mined from various sources and then organized in order to obtain a new information from it. It is vital role of data analytics. Data analysts collect data from various sources and work on it. Now with the data, we can use models for it and reduce complexity and increase the efficiency of whole system. So some responsibility are filtering and clean data. This step include data cleaning and data wrangling. The data collection generally unstructured and it has lot of missing values. So finding the data and giving it some value so that it can easily be converted into charts and pictures and some meaningful insight. So that is one of the role. It is important to clean data to ready for analysis. So before analysis, cleaning, wrangling and unstructured data, missing values to be maintained before giving it to for final reporting. Tools. Use various statistical tools and programs, language for analytical and logical examination of data. So basic knowledge of statistics and maths is required and some programming language before we will present the data. Use different libraries and packages. Data analysts discover trends and patterns from complex data sets. This helps them to find more unseen insight from data to make business predictions. The main objective is for running the business smoothly, getting new customers. So all these things will be done with the help of data analytics. Prepare summary report. At last we will prepare a summary report. Prepare summary report for leadership team. This is done with the help of data visualization. So properly managing data and present in the form of visualization, because pictures, people understand picture better, so they can take timely decisions. Data analysts use multiple data visualization tools. There are many tools like which can be used for data analysis. Interact with manager, team, development team and data scientists for process improvement plan. They have to regularly interact with their team members and with the seniors and the business leaders so that they can understand how they can find out the right data, right visualization tools, what is the aim of the company, what they are doing, what is the result, what they will do. So that things keep in mind, and that can only happen if they will communicate well with the seniors and with their team members. Skill required. Like there is a degree, hold a degree in any relevant field and domain expertise, knowledge of some languages like R, Python, JavaScript. This will help you solve complex problems. You should have expertise with database and data analysis tools, knowledge of MS Excel, MATLAB, SQL, queries, etc. Like there are several tools, but these are some of the many generally used, which are very used in market. Should have understanding of statistics and machine learning, experience using several data visualization tools, good presentation skills. That also play a very crucial role because you have to present what you have done so far. So annual salary, like in US, it's somewhere around $45,000 to $83,000. India is like if you have some experience, you can earn up to somewhere around like 4 lakh to 10 lakhs. So it is written wrong. It's from 4 lakh to 10 lakh you can earn if you have an experience as a data analytics. There are many companies which are hiring data analytics at the moment. There is a lot of demand for people in this field like Amazon, Microsoft, Walmart, Payment, Paytm, Google, Facebook, Apple. Now the future is like every company will be data company in future because every company is going on these cloud platforms and they have their own like systems from where customers are going and finding data. So that's why the role of data analytics is increasing in our digital economy. Growth of data. With the rise of various social media platforms and multinational companies across the globe, the generation of data has increased. Data has grown vast on the last decade and expected to reach 175 zettabyte in 2025, according to International Data Corporation. So, as we are more using our products and now the IoT is also coming. So, with that, the role of data will increase day by day. Like 5G technology will be there soon. So, there will be more data in the domain. So now we will need more people like who can create better customers and make user friendly products. So such things are required. So that's why their role is increasing. Organizations across the world generate countless data every second. Every organization are nowadays using like these technologies. So they are generating data. This data can be in the form of financial reports, customer data, sales report and more. So they are from different fields. Company utilizes data in wise way. They use all of this information to make crucial decisions. At the last, the main objective is to make crucial decisions from this data. As you have heard, data is new oil, but it's only possible if they use data very well. So data is a new oil, but if we can use it properly and create and think something out of box, like people are required who can think something out of box, they will go very far in this data field. There are many titles given to data analyst. One of them is business analyst. A business analyst helps guide business, improve product services and software through data-driven solutions. A business analyst are responsible for creating new models that support business decisions and help to optimize costs. A business analyst analyze the business domain and understand the business problem. They provide technology-based solutions. Responsibilities: understand and clarify the business objective, interact with the development team to design the layout of the software applications, run meetings with stakeholders and other authorities, ensure that the project is running as per the design, user accept testing. They ensure that the projects run smoothly as per design. Ensure that all the features are incorporated in the software. Skill for business analyst: a bachelor degree, good in writing SQL queries, statistics analysis and predict modeling, understanding of programming language like Python, R, good working knowledge of various data visualization tools along with presentation skills. So they required all such skills if you like to be a business analyst. Salary of business analyst is from 7 lakh, average salary somewhere around 7 lakh in India, and in USA you can earn up to $72,000. Database administration. This is another type of job which are done by business, like those who are also a data analyst, like business administrator. DBA is the professional responsibility for storing and organizing company data. So database administrator have a different type of role. They have other duties also, like they are responsible for storing and organizing company data. Like company have a data, so they will have the responsibility of storing and organizing that company data. They do this with the help of various technologies. There are certain technologies they are be well versed with for database administration. Keep the organization data security. They have to keep it secure. The data should be secure well. Responsibility: DBA work on database design and development. DBA maintain the integrity of database. run tests and modify the existing database, inform end user for the changes. So liaising with programmer and other IT staff, DBA responsible for data backup. They also have to take the backup of the data. So they have a little bit of different role from data analytics. Where data analysts work on data, they are basically maintaining the data and they are securing the data. Skill: bachelor degree in computer science, 3 to 5 database management experience, knowledge of database design, query, understanding of operating system and storage. Salary is from 5 lakh, 4 lakh 95,000, somewhere around 5 lakh to 10 lakh. It depends upon like person to person and the companies. And in US, they can earn up to $78,000. That's an average salary. Data engineer. A data engineer builds a test scalable system, big data ecosystem for business. A data engineer is the intermediary between the data analyst and data scientist. So he is basically between the chain of data analyst and data scientist. The data analyst transfer data into useful form of analysis. Responsibilities of data engineer: develop, test and maintain architecture, align architecture with the business environment, managing, optimizing and monitoring data retrieval and storage and distribution throughout the organization. They discover opportunities, data acquisition, find trends in data set and develop algorithms to make help raw data useful, create large data warehouse using ETL, recommending way to improve data efficiency. Mostly they work with big data, submit report to data scientists and data analysts. Skill: bachelor degree, good hand on Python, R and Java, well versed with data, big data analytics, Hadoop, Apache, Spark, Scala and MongoDB. Basic knowledge of statistics and good knowledge of operating system. Salary is from 8 lakh to 10 lakh and in US they can earn up to 1 lakh in dollars. Data scientists, like they are steps like from data analytics you can with experience can become a data scientist. A data scientist understands the challenges in business and comes up with the business solution using modern tools and techniques, analyze and visualize to make business decisions. Data scientists are the professionals who arrive at business conclusion by using advanced level data techniques. They are usually the senior most in the team. So they are the position which will be done after doing all the jobs as a data analyst and with experience and having the knowledge of the domain, you can become a data scientist. Role and responsibilities: data scientists clean, process and manipulate data with several data analytics tools. They perform data mining, collect data set, structure and unstructured data, structured and unstructured data from different sources. Data scientists design and evaluate advanced statistical models on big data. They also automate normally deducted system and constant track of their performance. Interpret the analysis big data for solution and opportunities. A data scientist takes input from data analytics engineers to formulate the result. They use visual tools for report and dashboard for relevant stakeholders. They regular build predictive model and machine learning algorithms. So they have a lot of duties to do. Bachelor degree in computer science and relevant degree in domain. Master degree hold the major advantage, proficient in programming language, Python, Java, Perl. Similarly with Apache Hive, Apache Hadoop. Proficiency in SQL knowledge and machine learning, deep learning, data visualization skills, communication to present time. Salary, average salary is somewhere around 10 lakh per annum. And in US, if you will go, you will earn more. Here is written in the salaries. Companies, there are many companies which are hiring data scientists like Tata, Infosys, HCL, Amazon, Flipkart, Mahindra, like there are many companies like small and big companies all need some data scientists. Machine learning engineers. Machine learning engineers are professionals who develop intelligent machines that can learn from vast amount of data without human intervention. Like you have taken the case of Google, like they will According to the user, they will predict what you want to type. So these are some of the jobs which machine learning will do with the help of deep learning. So they use different algorithms, statistical modeling to make sense of data. They work for toward design self-running software. Like Alexa, you say, you will ask question, it will give an answer. So all this is done with the help of machine learning itself. They design machine learning and deep learning algorithm, objective to running self-running software. Responsibility of machine learning engineer: research, design and develop machine learning systems. Use exceptional mathematical skills. They need some mathematical skills. Create sophisticated models. Perform testing, A/B testing. Build machine learning algorithm. Use data modeling to discover patterns. Machine learning engineer work closely with data engineer to build data pipeline and interact with stakeholders to get clarify on the requirement. Analyze complex data set to verify data quality for model test and experiment. Choose to implement right machine learning algorithm and select the right training data set. Skill: machine learning degree. Data scientist should have experience in same domain languages like R, Python, knowledge of statistics, math, linear algebra, calculus, understand various machine learning libraries such as NumPy, Panda, scikit-learn, etc., and data manipulation, oral and written communication skills. That's also need to be a machine learning expert. 8 lakh salary in India, in US you can earn up to more than 1 lakh, 2 lakh. So salary, like, it depends on year, and year salary will increase. Companies, there are many companies. These all companies are hiring machine learning experts. Resume, like before, like if you will go for the course, you have to create your resume. So common to have your photo on the resume, name in bold letter, your email address, and nowadays like you can also have a LinkedIn ID on that. Write a summary, explain your current job role, looking for LinkedIn profile, GitBig profile. If you have all these things should be maintained while you are entering into the market to get a job as a data scientist, data analyst, data engineer. So you have a very like a good resume, which is very interactive, and people can understand about more company tools you have worked with. All such things should be given by a candidate in resume. Mention your data delivery, your education, skills, languages. Language you know, such as if you know some languages of computers or like related to your job, and beside that, if you will know some language like German or English, you can write down all those things in your resume. Tools to be learned. Many tools available in market. Their use vary from company to company. Some are prominent tools that you will learn throughout our program will be data. We will discuss it later. Data analytics are skills professionals who work on large data set. They deal with data handling, data modeling, reporting. They understand trends and insights that reveal massive data. So some of the tools are, first of all, we will go through Python programming. So Python programming is the most popular and powerful programming language used nearly in all AI machine learning operations. So Python should be must if you want to be a data scientist or data analytics. It is highly sought after skill by software professionals. This powerful object-oriented programming feature with high extensibility, large standard library, portability, embedded ability, making it popular in domain of data analysis and visualization, AI machine learning applications. So you should learn Python. R programming. R is dominant open source programming language in the field of statistics and data visualization. The ability to provide high-end support to statistical and graphical techniques, linear, nonlinear modeling, time series analysis, clustering, and many more. High extensible and popular amongst data analysts and data scientists. Very popular among data scientists and analysts. Used for statistical computing. R language helping effective data manipulating and analysis. Microsoft Excel. Microsoft is an important tool for data analysis, help companies accurately assess situations and make better business decisions. Power BI, unify data from many sources to create interactive, immersive dashboards. They are basically used for creating dashboards and reports that provide actionable insight and drive business results. Power BI is a collection of software, services, apps, and connectors that work together to turn your unrelated sources of data into visual, immersive, and interactive insights. They make your presentation more interactive. That's the part of like Power BI. Power BI is suited of business intelligence reporting and data visualization product and service for individual and team. SQL is for generating queries. SQL structured query language is full form, has been around for decades. It is programming used for managing the data held in relational database. So in a relational database set, it is used, we use SQL. A data analyst can use SQL to access, read, manipulate, analyze the data stored in database and generate useful insight to drive an information decision making process. So they have to extract information through SQL and generate queries and all. So this is our course. Like if you are interested, we are one of the most trusted education platform. We will ensure your placement, live classes and dedicated mentors. It can be either online or you can on our place in our institute, active practical exposure, recruitment at some places. Like you will get, if you are working somewhere, you will also get a salary hike. We have already trained many students. We will solve your problems also. So we have an industry expert with us to help you to go through the program. So that's all from our side. Thank you very much.